Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be laminating the three pieces of Coosa board together. I'm going to be doing a layer of chop strain matting between each layers of the Coosa board, and then I'm going to be using these headlock screws. You guys can see it's kind of like a panhead. They're called headlock screws, and I'm going to go through the Coosa board, and then on the back side I'm going to have like a 2x4 stretch across the back of the Coosa board on through all the layers, and it's just going to sandwich the crap out of these things. And these things are amazing. So they do a really good job holding things together, squeezing the crap out of things, making sure that they do not budge. And I'm probably going to be putting at least a dozen in, and they only leave like a 1/4 inch hole through the board. So that's the plan today. So let's get to it. All right, so we're back here. I cut off the glass off the edge and I grinded it down just to bare Coosa. Came out pretty good. It's solid as a rock, but it is pretty good, I think. This, as you guys can see right here, this is the stair stepping I was talking about, because as this angle grows, so will this. So once I get it up there, get it fitted, I'm gonna make a nice line and cut a 90-degree straight across, or I might just bevel this down a little bit so water runs off the top of the transom a little bit better. But I'm probably just gonna either flatten this out or cut it off, and then, because glass doesn't really want to lay down to a 90-degree, so that's my plan for now. But for right now, I'm gonna go up there, finish a little touch up on the inside so I can fit this in there, and then we'll start fitting it together. All right, so I went through and got every single hole drilled out a size bigger than the actual hole was. This makes for better adhesion for when I'm laying in the glass, and then also you're not gonna have like silicone, that type of stuff sticking inside, because that's not gonna want to stick to polyester resin. And then so what I'm planning on doing is tapering all these bigger holes and filling the smaller, like 1/4-inch holes. And then once I get all those filled, layered up, I'm gonna sand it all down, because I'm gonna have to paint this boat anyways, or gel coat it. So I'm gonna sand it all down, and then I'm actually just gonna sand this all the way down to good glass. And then I'm just gonna do a couple layers all the way across, just to make sure that everything's sealed off, and that's a good fresh start. And then I can ferret out, make it nice and flat, and then I can spray with gel coat. Because the plan is I'm gonna spray this whole entire boat with new gel coat. Still haven't quite decided on the color, but I kind of like the original concept, keep it original, and just make it look like it's a newer boat. So that's my plan for that. But like I said, things change, so stay tuned. So I just removed the boards from the outside. So what I did is I screwed it from the inside just to hold it in place up to where I needed it to be. And then I came on the outside and I put 2x4s across every like 6 inches all the way down, and I squeezed the crap out of it with those leg bolts. And that seemed to really help. So as you can see, I didn't put any resin right here, there's no point. It's hard as a rock right here. It's hard, so